Bitch, I wake up, no silence. Fresh as fuck, I put it on up. I did this shit. Got this fine, hold no makeup, and she still in that shit. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a junk phone case. This wasn't really on my list of YouTube videos, but I literally was on Pinterest and I seen a picture and I was like, I could freaking do that. Like, I can literally do that. This is the picture that is my inspo picture to make this video, but then I also looked for a couple more inspo pictures because just to get a feel of what I could really do. But the first picture was really like what made me see that and be like, I can do that. So that's what I'm gonna be doing today. Am I supposed to say anything else? That's what I'm gonna be doing today. Of course it's gonna be Hello Kitty themed, of course, but the colors are gonna be, I'm going for like a purplish type of theme. Depending on how this comes out, I do plan to do one or two more, so I might do, I really have a pink and gold one on my mind, and maybe something with blue, because blue is my favorite color. So if this goes good, I will be making one or two more, at least one more. So I gathered a bunch of nail stuff because nail crafts are really multi-use. So I'm gonna be using nail stuff. I got a bunch of products. I got a lot of rhinestones. So that'll be like my filler, and I don't know what else I'm supposed to say. So I guess we'll just get into it. Okay, so here is my phone case. I'm gonna dry it with some alcohol before I get started, or some acetone, and hope that does something. I have some purple rhinestones here, real cute. I got some SS10 rhinestones. I got these from Shein. I'm pretty sure these are the exact ones that are on my nail right now. Got some purple hearts. These are from Etsy. I have got these chains. I already broke it apart. Just to randomly place it. And then this one, I think this is the one. No, it might be the shorter one. It's one of them, but I measured it out to go around the camera. And then here are my many purple charms. It's a lot of things in there. Hoping it's a good amount to cover most of it, and then I'll fill it out with the rhinestones and stuff after. Also got these big charms. I bought these for my nails because, you know, I just love buying nail products, but then I realized that this was too big for my nail, especially with my job. And I got this little lollipop, also really cute. These I got from Amazon. These are pretty big, not gigantic, but bigger than most. I bought these for another project that I never got started on, but yeah. And this chain that I just showed you, I got this from Amazon. I think it was for my Crocs that I first made. One of my first pairs of Crocs that I made. No, I don't think I used it. I think I used the gold one. Anyways, yeah. And some stars. I'm planning to use the purple ones. And my E6000 glue, hoping this sticks. This is a mix of alcohol and acetone, excuse me, that I'm wiping with. So I'm just gonna dry it out. I don't think I'm gonna put anything on the sides. I might add the chain. Maybe. We'll see. I'm just hoping this actually even sticks good to this material. I don't know how I should prime it or whatever.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me, still with the dogs that I grew beside, all the niggas round me, die that they die, gotta watch the time cause it's flying right by, I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Caught a shorty off a Finsta, just the one I'm really certain things we started getting pissed off. Think we need to have a son adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now, I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I don't miss you. Right now, I'm just stuck inside the crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG. Right outside, PT. Two-turn, baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas round me, ride like die. Gotta watch your time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn, baby girl, you know me.
I'm outside in an
AMG. Right outside, PT. Two-turn, baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, ride. Gotta watch your time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn, baby girl, you know me. Yeah.
Hey, truck to the plane, to the truck to the hotel lobby. Me, I go through underground garages, presidential suite on deposit, elevator up to the room, shower up and then we hit the club. Touchdown, gotta see what's up. Area code in my phone. What numbers do I still have? Who do I know from the past? Hit one, she say she got a man. Hit another one, it goes green. What's the change foes on the team? Remember when you let me in between? That was 2017. All good, chucks a look around. Find one to see my type. Now my dog and he knows what I like. He done found me plenty in my life. Problem is I meet this girl tonight. Then I go and treat her too nice. Galleria credit card swipes. I don't even know if she a wife. But I do know one thing though. Women, they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday through Sunday, yo. Baby, I'll love you one day. Baby, we'll someday grow. Till then, I'll sit my drunk ass on that runway, on this one way. Jury in the safe on arrival. Pistol on J's for survival. A lot of people gunning for the title. A lot of people trying to take us viral. I was trying to have a nice night though. Baby brought a check for the meal. She said, babe, I think this was a typo. Nah, girl, I got it. That's light though. I can show you bigger things than that. It's gonna be a minute till I'm back. Let me get your images that last. Amex had a limit in the past. I had plenty women in the past. I done plenty sinning in the past. Don't need to know, but you can ask. Sticking on your backstage pass, all access, cause you bad. You could go wherever with that ass. Show to the shout, to the truck to the club for the party. You go in first with your girls, cause I don't know who's out there watching. But I do know one thing though, women, they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday, Sunday, yo. Baby, I'll love you one day. Baby, we'll someday grow. Till then, I'll sit my drunk ass on that runway, on this one way.
The schedule busy, my head in a hoodie, my shorty a goodie, my cousins are crazy, my cousins like boogie. Life is amazing, it is what it should be. Been here for 10, but I feel like a rookie. I tell her look up, cause it's snowing in Tootsies. Booked for 3 years, man, you can't even book me. It's me and Lil Baby, the going crazy. Weezy produced it, and Weezy F made me, and she held it down, so she got a Mercedes. Your Money Records, the Army, the Navy. It ran me 10,000, I threw it like Brady. The foreign is yellow like Tracy and Katie. I trust in my they never betray me. Met all these they sweeter than Sadie. When I started out, I just took what they gave me. Did all the favors, they never repay me. It worked in my favor, cause nobody said.
Brand new whip, got no keys. Tell them my clothes, no starch, please. Soon as you can go, leave. Got M's in the bank, like yes, indeed. Cartier glasses, I won't even Pikachu. Yellow Ferrari like Pikachu. I got him waiting and watching what he gon' do. Tryna pee what I do, tryna steal my moves. 2,500 for a new pair of tennis shoes. The same price I can make them youngins come and finish you. Lawyer being charged here, you like a voodoo. Real dope boy, 100,000 in his visa. President's a 10 slide by, we don't see you. I been getting money, I ain't worried about.
Before I got rudely interrupted trying to end this video so I can go to bed, somebody decided to call my phone, and the call could have just not happened. Anyways, so this is my final result. This is what we were looking at. I think it's really cute. Honestly, I feel like these two mixes of the rhinestones would have been cute as like a full cover case by itself, but I do like everything I added on here. I feel like I got too carried away adding the rhinestones and didn't put everything else on there, which is not terrible. I don't mind, but I thought I was gonna have everything on there and then be like, oh, I got so much more rhinestones to use, but it was kind of the opposite. I don't know. This is a very tedious task. I don't mind doing it. It's a very tedious task though, just to be noted. But yeah, I got all my Hello Kitties on there. And it's real purple and silver going. I think it's really cute. I'm definitely gonna be deciding cute, but I'm definitely gonna put this on my phone. I feel like the contrast will go good with like some really plain nails when taking a picture. Not these nails, they like kind of blend. But yeah, I like it. Let me know what colors y'all think I should do next, and if I should even do a part 2. Do you like this, or is this too tacky for your style? And if it's too tacky, I don't know why you watched it. But thanks for watching. See y'all next time. Bye.